Hello friends, welcome to Marine Pathshala. In this video, we'll discuss about indicator diagrams. The first question arises in our mind is what is indicator diagram? An indicator diagram is a pressure volume diagram taken from the pressures in the cylinder of a working engine during one complete engine cycle. Normally, in indicator diagram, pressure P is taken in the y-axis and volume V is taken in the x-axis. Next question arises in our mind is how the indicator diagrams are taken. The indicator diagrams are recorded by the indicator instrument. The indicator instrument consists of a small piston of known size. The engine cylinder pressure is applied against the indicator piston, which reciprocates on amount depending upon the calibration of the spring. The vertical motion of the piston is recorded by a stylus on recording device on a paper wrapped on the oscillating drum. The drum oscillates, moves backward and forwards under the pull of the cord. The cord is moved by a reciprocating up and down mechanism which is proportional to the engine piston movement in the cylinder. The stylus draw out the indicator diagram which represents the gas pressure on the engine piston at the different points of the stroke, and the area of the indicator diagram is produced presents the power developed in the particular cylinder. The planimeter is used to determine the area under the diagram. Now, the next question arises in our mind is that why we need to take these indicator diagrams. We take indicator diagrams because it tells us the engine output, maximum pressure and the compression pressure. It also evaluates the combustion processes, evaluation of the exhausting and the scavenging conditions. If any irregularities are there, it can be detected. There are four types of indicator diagrams: power card, draw card, compression card, and light spring card. Power card. Power card is taken with the indicator drum rotation in phase with the piston movement. When the indicator drum starts rotating in phase with the piston movement, we will attain this type of a curve in a paper. This is the compression curve. This is the expansion curve. At this place, the combustion takes place. This is the scavenging and the exhaust condition. The area under the curve tells us the work done during the cycle. It is also used to calculate the power developed during the cycle. If there are any irregularities in the diagram, it will show the operational faults. The peak pressure is measured between the atmospheric line and the point of the maximum pressure. This is used to calculate the peak pressure. Draw card. Draw card is taken with indicator drum rotation 90° out of phase with the piston stroke. It is also known as out of phase diagram. The pressure changes during the fuel combustion or the injector faults may be detected from its shape. The compression pressure and the maximum pressures can be measured from the draw card. Compression diagram. To know the compression pressure of the cylinder and the cylinder tightness, the compression card is taken in phase with the piston movement and the fuel cutoff. It is the most important thing while taking the compression card is that we will have to cut off the fuel. Light spring diagram. This diagram is taken in phase with the piston movement using light spring with fuel on. This is compression, exhaust opens here, scavenge opens here. This diagram is generally taken for determining the scavenge and the exhaust conditions during the cycle. The question arises when these indicator cards are taken. The indicator cards are taken at every month end and at every major overhaul on the way and according by to the engine condition. Now we will discuss about the irregularities in the diagram. Early ignition. Here in this diagram we can see that there is a high peak pressures in the power card and the draw card. The effects of the early ignition are it will cause high peak pressure, the power produced will be more, less specific fuel oil consumption, drop in exhaust temperature, high thermal efficiency. A heavy shock load will be transmitted to the running gear and the bearings with a knocking sound. Causes of early ignitions will be it there may be a incorrect fuel pump timing, broken or wrongly set indicator springs, incorrect fuel condition, overheated parts such as hot piston, cetane number of the fuel is higher than a normal, late ignition. Here in the diagram, we can see that there is a drop in the peak pressures in the power card and the draw card. The effects of the late ignition are low peak pressure, loss of power, high exhaust temperature and black smoke, reduced thermal efficiency, reduced scavenge efficiency, increased specific fuel oil consumption. The causes of the late injection may be excessive injector spring setting, poor atomization, high viscosity or poor quality of fuel, fuel pump leaking or incorrectly timed, low compression, insufficient supply of combustion air, undercooling of parts within the cylinder, low cetane number of the fuel. Here the next is afterburning. Here in the diagram, we can see that there is a change or slow or late combustion of fuel during the expansion stroke, and the peak pressures are also low. The effects of the afterburning are slow or late combustion of the fuel during expansion stroke of the piston, rise in the expansion line during the later part of the stroke. Exhaust temperature and pressure will be high with burning fuel and carbon passing to exhaust. This may damage the exhaust valves and foul the exhaust system, causing turbocharger surging or uptake fires. High temperature of liner causes deterioration of the lubrication and damage to the liner and the piston rings. Smoky exhaust. Causes of afterburning. Incorrect fuel pump timing, faulty fuel injector, fuel oil temperature too low and viscosity high, lack of scavenge air, poor compression. The next is low compression. Here in the diagram also we can see that there is decrease in the peak pressures, so the power generations will be less. Effects of the low compression are faulty combustion, high exhaust temperature, low pressures due to lack of air, maybe turbocharger faults, choked scavenge ports or inlet valve, choked air cooler, choked air filter. The causes of low compression are blow past from the worn out or broken piston rings, worn liner, lack of cylinder lubrication, streaking piston rings. Blow past can cause scavenge fire in two-stroke engines, and there is a risk of crankcase explosion in four-stroke engines. Next is exhaust valve opening. For checking the exhaust valve opening, we will take the light spring diagram. Here in this diagram we can see the curve of dotted lines with for the normal opening. This is for the late opening, and this curve is for the early opening. Here in the early opening will cause the loss in power since pressure is released too soon, results in high exhaust temperature and risk of overheating. Late opening will reduce the scavenge efficiency by reducing the blowdown, affects the supply of energy to the turbocharger. Next is choked exhaust. Here, the curve for the light spring diagram is shown in the diagram. The effects of the choked exhaust are it will result in loss of power, high exhaust temperature and pressure with smoke, surging of turbocharger. Causes of choked exhaust are faulty injection, lack of scavenge air, excessive cylinder lubrication, falling of exhaust system. The remedies for correcting the choked exhaust are correct fuel timing and fuel injection system, maintain scavenging system in good order, correct cylinder lubrication feed, clean exhaust grid and turbocharger. The next irregularity is leaking fuel injector. Here in the diagram, we can see that the curve does not attain the peak pressures, so there will be the loss in the power, and it can be detected also by high exhaust temperature with the smoke, knock or pressure wave in the fuel injection system. Indicator diagram will show fluctuation of pressure during the expansion process due to secondary burning of fuel leaking from injector. It may cause afterburning. There may be blowback of the hot gases into the injector.